Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to whip up a batch of mouth-watering homemade cookie bars that are the perfect blend of gooey, chewy and utterly irresistible. So let's roll up our sleeves and dive right in. First, in a large mixing bowl, let's cream together some melted butter, granulated sugar and some brown sugar with 2 eggs. Mix it really well till it becomes light and fluffy mixture. Add few drops of vanilla essence in between. Now let's add the dry ingredients. Add in all-purpose flour, some cornstarch and baking soda. Mix everything until it is well combined. Now for the fun part, gently fold in those irresistible chocolate chips. And you can also add some chopped nuts for extra crunch and flavor. Spread the cookie dough evenly into a greased baking pan. Give a little press to make sure it's nice and flat. Add some more chocolate chips on top. Now pop it in the preheated oven and let it bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out with just few crumbs. Once out of the oven, resist the temptation to dive right in. Let the cookie bars cool in the pan for 15 minutes. This will allow them to firm up and become even more delicious. Now it's time to cut these beauties into squares or rectangles. And there you have it. Our delectable homemade cookie bars are ready to dig in. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed baking these cookie bars as much as I did. Remember, you can always customize them with your favorite mix-in. If you found this recipe delightful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy baking!